Back on the foils 60E. We got the input drum, input reverse in. Put the new seals in. Now we're going to change the seal on the stator. This is it's a YouTube channel sponsored by Ace Hardware. We got 365 locations in the United States. Buy at Ace. They guarantee their products. Okay, I will stay in this box until I finish. We're going to take the pump apart, change the springs, change the seals. Cleaned up. Got the place looking pretty good. Now, I'm going to put the band on. Just right here, the new band. On the input drum. Then we're going to put the servo back in. I tested the servo. I tested the Baron already in the servo last week, so. Right now we're going to take a break. Got the new torque converter down here in the box. Then eventually I'm going to get to this hydraulic computer board. Put all the bearings back into it. Springs. So I'm going to spend today on this pump. Right now we're taking a break. Break!